Oh! Oh shit! Oh no! Oh no!
Yes?
Oh yeah, he's okay.
Okay. Did you tell him that you have dashcam footage?
Yeah, I did. I'm also stopping by right now to, you know, give him my email so that they can reach me.
Stopping by my apartment?
No. I'm not stopping by your apartment.
Oh, you're pulling over so they can,
Yeah.
Okay, you're okay?
Yeah, I'm okay. Why are they running the... I have green light. This light is stuffed. Okay, so, yeah.
Be very careful holding under the light. You're at a sketchy ass light.
Yeah. Alright, well, I'm gonna let you go. I'm pulling up right now.
Okay, well, if you need anything else, you can call. I'm right around the corner, okay?
Alrighty.